Hi, my name is Angela DiMarco. I am the co-founder and creator of finduniquelyyou.com, an online learning web-based application that is proprietary and custom, and we have listed our app for sale. My co-founder and co-everything, Dana Sardano, and I have decided to put more of our energies into our publishing division and our podcast. So we are looking to parcel off this piece of our business that has been an incredible journey to build and to create and to run. But now we're hoping that it finds a new owner, and the new owner will love it and grow exponentially in their own right. The benefits of having our online learning app was that everything was contained within the school. We have virtual classrooms that utilize Big Blue Button open source software. So you're not jumping out to a Zoom where you could have, data breaches and things like that. Everything is highly secure. It's all managed by our team. The data is, protected. We have it through Stripe. So there's a lot of protections for it. We're in a very robust hosting environment, though you wouldn't need to stay there if you have your own. Who this serves. So this app is ideal for a community. Let's say you have a community and you have some on-demand learning videos and you're trying to branch into expanding your knowledge sharing. This is perfect for your community because you can help your creators within your community monetize their content, and they have the built-in audience, they have the credibility of working with you. So it's super ideal for that. The app is coming with the business model, the projections, the everything that we do, the training program. We have 3 months of transition training, and I am a branding and marketing person, so I'm gonna reskin the whole thing for you over this transition period to make it your brand and your way. So besides having a community, it's also really amazing for corporations that have offices around the world or large remote workforce, thanks to COVID. And it helps to create events and trainings and different things that can bring an entire workforce together in a virtual setting that is branded and inspires the culture to go in the direction that you want it to go in. You can have your HR staff, you can have your product development, your service development, your sales training. You can also have personal development for your staff, employees. It's limitless to the amount of knowledge sharing. And imagine having the same HR training person in one office for all of your locations and workers. It's really ideal for that. We are offering a 5% commission to anybody who helps broker the deal. So if you know someone who knows someone who knows someone, there's little prezzies and gifts along the way to help us sell our app. But our hope is to parcel this off to somebody that will really appreciate having a highly secure, proprietary online learning school that will just expand what they're already trying to do. So my name is Angela DiMarco. You can reach out to myself, Angela, at finduniquelyyou.com, or my co-founder, Dana Sardano, at dana@finduniquelyyou.com. And we're here to chat. We'd love to demo the product for you, just walk you through the back end. We've got a data room for you to check out, all that good stuff. The only things that are not included are the actual content that we have currently running. We've got some new instructors that are still working their workshops. So they own their content. That has always been something that we've prided ourselves on, that we take no ownership over the content that goes through our school. And also the name finduniquelyyou.com, the brand, there's no equity in it, and it's also untrademarkable. So I'm not going to share it. No reason to put that in. But we do have also a companion WordPress marketing website that can come along with the deal if you're interested. We've got a database set up, a database management system set up. It's just, we have a whole training program that will teach you. We'll train your trainers. We'll stick around. We'll help out, whatever you need to make this a smooth, seamless transition. if you are somebody who has been thinking about adding an online learning school and are waiting for the right time or the money or whatever it might be, this is a custom solution that you could honestly pick up and have a turnkey in a matter of like months, like maybe 2 or 3 months. It could be yours. Whereas if you build it like we did, it took us over a year, working with our development partner, and you could literally just be up and running before you know it. So with that said, thank you for listening to my little spiel. If you're interested, please contact us, and we look forward to speaking with you and helping you serve your knowledge sharing needs.